OpenAI released GPT Image 2.0, and honestly, it's not any another image generator tool because now it can understand the product, the context, the brand, the layout, and even the purpose behind the design. So I tested it with some real world design use cases. I created a full social media campaign, product advertisement, food post, and even a YouTube thumbnail. And in this video, I'm not going to explain what it can do. I will show you the exact input, prompts, and outputs from 4 practical use cases. So let's start. Use case number 1 is creating complete social media campaign using ChatGPT Image 2.0. For this, I created a water bottle brand called Velora and followed a step-by-step process inside ChatGPT. First, I created water bottle product image because before creating any campaign, the product needs to be clear. So the first step was to simply create the product. ChatGPT gave me a clean Velora bottle visual. Now normally, if your client gives you just one bottle image, most designer will create one basic post. Bottle in the center, some water splash in the background, a little bit of text and done. But here I didn't want to create just one post. I wanted to build complete campaign direction around the product. So next I asked ChatGPT to create summer hydration post. For this, water bottle, because the water bottle directly connects with the hydration, heat, freshness, summer and energy. And this is the output. As you can see, the bottle is not just randomly placed. It has proper summer hydration mood, the visual feels fresh, the product is clearly visible and the message is easy to understand. After that, I created male athlete version for the same brand. The idea was to position Velora as sporty hydration brand, and this is output. Now notice this: the product is the same, the brand is the same, the communication angle has changed. The first post was about summer hydration. This is about sport performance and active lifestyle. Then I created a female athlete version of this same image. Again, the brand is the same, the bottle is the same, visual language is still consistent, but the creative is different. And this is what campaign thinking means. You present the same product through different angles without losing the brand consistency. Finally, I created product hero image. Here, the focus was only on the product, the bottle, no athlete, no heavy text, just the bottle as the main hero placed in the tennis court, setting with condensation, fresh lighting and premium product photography feel. This is important because not every campaign post needs a person. Sometimes you need one clean product hero visuals that makes the product brand look premium. So overall, from ChatGPT Image 2.0, I created a full campaign set. First, the product bottle. Second, the summer hydration post. Third, the male athlete creative. Fourth, the female athlete creative. And fifth, the clean product hero image. And this is the real power of ChatGPT Image 2.0. For use case number 2, I took this Dot & Key skincare face wash product. What if client need the same campaign for Instagram story, Instagram feed, maybe LinkedIn, maybe website, banner, and sometimes even ads. So instead of creating just one post, I asked ChatGPT Image 2.0 to create advertisement in multiple aspect ratio. I wanted to see how ChatGPT 2.0 will work if I ask in single prompt create multiple designs for different social media. For example, Instagram story, Instagram feed size, or for LinkedIn. That can be used for other platforms. So I gave this prompt and this is the output. Now notice the style, the background has the water splash element, the blue tone matches the product, the layout feels clean, and the product is still the hero. Then I generated a feed version. Here is the composition changes. The text placement changes, the product placement changes, but the campaign still feels consistent. And then it created another wider version. This is where it becomes practical because when you are creating ads for clients, you cannot just give them one creative and say done. You can give them complete ad creative, story format, feed format, wide format, product only format, and this makes your work look more professional. For use case number 3, I created a social media post for burger brand called Gully Bite. Here I had two things, the brand logo and the burger image. Now the brief was simple: create a stylish restaurant social media post with retro modern editorial look. The content on the graphics was main headline burger, sub headline bite, chill, repeat, hashtag I used one more bite, then offer 50% off, coupon code bite 50. Now this is very realistic client brief. A client will not always give you the perfect brand guidelines. Sometimes they will only send you logo, one product image and some text, and then they expect a premium design. So I gave this rough draft to ChatGPT and asked for the prompt, and then I got refined prompt from ChatGPT and I used with the reference images, and this is the output. Now look at the transformation. The burger is the hero, the typography feels bold, the layout has that retro poster style, the offer badges is visible, the coupon code is placed like a CTA, and the overall design feels like a proper restaurant campaign. This is very useful because food design is not just about placing a burger on background. You need bold hierarchy, you need strong offer visibility, and you need a style that makes people stop. And this output gives a very good direction. This is exactly what this new image generation tool is doing. For use case number 4, I used ChatGPT Image 2.0 to create a YouTube thumbnail. I have already shared a video breaking down how to create wedding video invitation inside Canva, and more importantly how you can actually turn this into profitable service. So I gave ChatGPT my reference image. I just took the screenshot from the video and I gave it the video context in PDF. The instruction was create a YouTube thumbnail, make it eye-catching, make it curiosity-driven, but don't make it too cluttered, because that is one big mistake many people make with thumbnails. They add too many elements and then nothing stands out. So here's I wanted thumbnail to clearly show three things: the topic wedding video, the money angle 50k, and the tool Canva, and this is the output. Now see how the thumbnail is structured. On one side we have the wedding invitation visual with video symbol. In the center we have the big 50k text to attract viewers. On the other side we have my face, and the face is exactly matching the screenshot that I uploaded. So you can see the face consistency in this new model, and the Canva label is clearly visible. This works because the viewers can understand the topic very quickly. And with ChatGPT Image 2.0 you can quickly test multiple thumbnail ideas before actually designing the final one. For example, you can ask it, make it more dramatic, make it face bigger, reduce the clutter. This is honestly very useful for YouTubers, educators, content creators and thumbnail designers.